Okay, so hello and welcome to our JavaScript tutorial on removing duplicates from a sorted linked list. So today we will tackle this problem step by step, providing a clear explanation of the approach and implementing the solution into the JavaScript. This is easy level code, remove duplicates from sorted list. So I'll give the link of this problem statement into the description, so go and check it out and try to understand by your own. I'm here to explain the code as well as the solution approach as well. So first of all, this is the first problem that I'm solving for the easy level, for the beginners. So let's start like by understanding the problem statement. So we are given a sorted linked list and our task is to delete all the duplicates so that each element appears only once. So additionally, we need to ensure that the resulting linked list remains sorted. So to solve this problem efficiently, we will traverse the linked list while keeping track of unique elements. If we encounter a duplicate, we will simply skip it by adjusting the pointers. So let's break down the step by steps. Okay, so first we have to initialize a pointer current to the head of the linked list. Okay, and second will be the traverse the linked list while current and current dot next are not null. Okay, third will be the if the value of current is equals to the value of current dot next, uh, will skip current dot next by pointing current dot next to current dot next. Okay, fourth will be move current to the next node. Okay, so now let's implement the solution into the JavaScript. Okay, so we'll write the uh, okay, so we'll write class list node constructor inside of that val, and inside of the constructor this dot val equals to val, then this dot next equals to null. Then we have a function delete duplicates. Okay, here we'll write current equals to head, while current which is not equals to null ended with current dot next again which is not equals to null. Okay, this is done. Inside of the while loop we'll write if statement current val equals to current dot next dot val. So current dot next equals to current dot next. We'll write else statement current equals to current dot next. Okay, after that we'll return head, and there you have it. We have successfully implemented the solution to remove the duplicates from a sorted linked list in JavaScript. So wait, we'll run the code. Yes, so by following a simple approach and leveraging the power of pointers, we are able to achieve the desired outcome. Okay, so let me submit it. Yes, it is accepted, and it is usually faster than 45%, 45.43% of JavaScript online submissions for removing the duplicates from sorted list. The memory usage you can see, which is 51.3 MB, which is less than 97.35 percentage. Okay, so it has been accepted. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. So see you in next time. Bye.